Good morning, time for another vlog. I've just popped over to Stanford Warren, which is managed by Essex Wildlife Trust. I thought I'd come over here and see if I can get eyes on any water vole. So it's a nice clear morning, there's a bit of a breeze. Oh yeah, it was lovely yesterday, wasn't it? So I'm back on my day shift tomorrow, so just come out for a few hours. Like I say, try and get eyes on some water voles if we can. So yeah, I'll take you along. Right, I can see where water voles have been active. Oh, just down here. There's a reef stem, and they're cut at 45 degrees, and there's little piles of them. So the water voles are marking their territories. I've just cut a little bit of an apple and put out as well, just to give them a bit of a helping hand. Apple's been washed, there's no pesticides on it. So I've been feeding water voles for years. They've never come to any harm, so blackberries and apples I normally feed them. But they're all washed thoroughly first. Someone had a little dig at me on my water vole mammal Facebook page a couple of weeks ago. Oh, you shouldn't feed water voles apples and berries out of season. Why not? I've been doing it for years. So yeah, there you go. Right, so the plan is to spend, I'm not going to spend too long here. I'm going to pop up to Cold House Fort, see if I can get kestrel. And hang about around that seawall area again, see what woodland birds we can get. It's a bit breezy here today, so, but it's nice light. It's just a bit breezy. I've already seen a marsh harrier actually, male marsh harrier. A blue tip with nesting material. So I'll come back here in a few days. So I'm at work tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Then I've got the weekend off. I think we're going to take the dog out for a walk somewhere, up to Wuntry Hill. I might even do a vlog actually, weekend, we're going to take the dog out. There's already been a couple of reed wobbler reported over at Rainer Marshes today. So the summer visitors are slowly moving in. Whose car is covered in dust? I got up this morning and my car's absolutely covered in it. I'm told it's from the Sahara, these winds carrying the sand over. Yeah, my car is absolutely covered. I got it washed the other week, washed and waxed. It's going to need washing again soon. So I was going to put over to Thameside, going to Hyde, but I'm not going to do that today. So like I said, I'm going to go to the pop over Cold House Fort again, see if I can get a Kessie. Just got eyes on that female marsh harrier again. They've got some shots. Actually got quite a few shots. I haven't seen the marsh harrier over here for a while actually. So he's gone quite high up in the sky now. Yeah, that's nice to see. Female marsh harrier. So I mean, come up places like this and you never know what you're going to see. So I've lost sight of it now. Yeah, he was hovering, he was flying over the marsh. Obviously looking for prey, or he could be looking for a nest site, maybe. They did nest over here years ago. Yeah, I should let Essex Wildlife Trust know about that. Because this is part of Thameside Nature Reserve now. Well, it's managed by Essex Wildlife Trust, so yeah. Result. Right, let's go up the cold asphalt now for a few hours. See you in a minute. Back over cold asphalt. One of my favourite places in the area. So I'm not going to walk far. See what woodland birds we can get again. Last time I was here a few days ago, got ears on a willow wobbler. So I've got some bird food here. I'll put some bird food out again. Bird food. So it's quite breezy, but hopefully this bit where I'm going now is quite sheltered from the wind. So yeah, this is where I heard the willow wobbler the other day, a few days ago, in this area. It's full of bird song. I love it over here. Nature's garden. Right, that's all the food put out, so I thought I'll have a little walk down the sea wall, see if I can get eyes on the kestrel or the stone chat or anything. So it's a bit breezy. Like I say, I've lost my mic. I've ordered a new one, but it hasn't come yet, so I actually been looking for it, but can't find it out down there. It'd be anywhere, couldn't it? So yeah, it's a bit breezy, but it's warm. It's a nice temperature. It's a shame about the wind. Never mind, it's what it is. So I'll give it 10-15 minutes and I'm going to go back up to the woodland area. I've already heard a couple of green woodpeckers, shift chaff, all the usual stuff. Just got my eyes on the first sand martin here. It's just the one. I always get a mixed sound. You've got to say you've got sand martins and swallows, haven't you? Swallows are bigger, sand martins are smaller. Yeah, I think that's right. Yeah, first swallow, sand martin of the year. Oh, horses are having a bit of a ruck down there. It's pretty quiet in the woodland. There's bird song, but I'm not getting any shots of anything really. So I just come out further down the sea wall. I've got eyes on the kestrel who's hovering, but I missed it. Also got a grey woodpecker. He's out in the horse paddock there. I've got some footage, which I'll put up after this little bit to camera. Show you. We're feeding on ants' nests. Oh, hang on, I've got him again now. He's just down here actually. He's not that far away from me. I'm going to try and get some more footage for you. That's alright. I managed to get quite a lot of footage of the green woodpecker. It was just down here. It was quite close, just where them daisies are. So I managed to get quite a lot of footage of some nice photos. It was looking a bit dim. It was really quiet. Because I think it's because of the wind, to be honest. Like, in the way of woodland birds anyway, but... I mean, there's woodland birds about, because I can hear them singing, but... They're not really showing themselves, but... Yeah, that was nice to get that green woodpecker anyway. So I was going to go home, I just couldn't be bothered. I think I've got to work tomorrow, so... Yeah, I won't be going home too late today. Oh yeah, that's a green woodpecker. I'll put some footage up later for you to look at. Right, hopefully you can hear me over the wind, but let's come and sit down over Cold House now. This tree in front of me, I've just seen 2 green woodpeckers. There's actually a nest site. Yeah, there he is. He's just popped out again. I haven't got a tripod, so I'm going to try and get some footage, but yeah, there he is now. So there's one in the nest, and the one just left as well, was just outside. I'm going to try and get some footage for you, if I can. I'm going to try anyway. How am I talking about? It wasn't a green woodpecker, it was a green ring parakeet. Yeah, not a green wood. I've got green woodpecker on the brain today. Yeah, it's yeah, green ringnet parakeet, not woodpecker. Just sitting there, looked up, there was a Kezzy. I managed to get some shots, quite close-up shots as well. It's just hanging in the wind. I love it when I do that. Yeah, just hanging there. Brilliant. So I'll put those shots up in a gallery at the end of this vlog. It's worth coming out now. Green woodpecker. Got a parakeet. I'm just sitting there waiting for the parakeet to come out again, actually. And the Kezzy. So that's not bad. Something to put in a vlog in it. Right, I thought I'd do a bit of an outro because I'm going home. So, yeah, I've had a good few hours down in Cold House Fort. Got a little bit to go through, footage and photos, stills, if you want to call them stills. So yeah, I've just met up with my mum, had a bit of lunch in the cafe. It's flipping busy over here now. I'm glad I got over here when I did, because the car park is absolutely full up. Anyway, stay safe, stay sane, keep enjoying the wonders of nature where you are. See you next time. Bye.